Jesus.
Where do you think you're going? Now, I know something ain't right here. If I'm correct, you made me some coffee, and coffee's not supposed to make you tired. You drank my coffee. Hello?
Where are you, Holland? I told you to get over to this spot half an hour ago.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, man. I'm really sorry, man.
Stop being sorry. Start being where I asked you to be. I can't pay if you don't show up. You get that, don't you?
Yes, I understand. I'm really sorry. I can be there in 5.
No, Mordecai. I've given you enough chances. I'm sorry.
I'll see you there, boss man.
Mordecai, do you have a brain?
All you do is you indulge yourself with these cookies and these drinks. How are you going to make this comeback without my money? Without my writers? Without my staff? Natalie, no one wants to listen to your one-woman show. Oh, yeah. I didn't see you.
You're living alone? Have you been eating?
Yep.
Mordecai.
Listen, I'm not in the mood to talk, so I'll see you at Educated Prison.